Hello, my name is Ankur Thakkar and my student ID is PPE 2004. We have chosen the case from the Contract Law and the Corporation Act. Today I will discuss the fact and the issue of the question number 1, which is that the Ming who was who was running the hair salon business, in which he decided that one day he will give advertisement in the newspaper in which he writes that he will cut the hair for all the people in $10 only, but the people have to bring this coupon to his shop. So on the next day, with the great response of the people, Ming decided that this offer is not invalid. So, and he put the notice outside his shop that this offer is not valid. Now the question arises that whether this advertisement is valid or not. Now the issue regarding this case are that what is the legal status of this advertisement, also whether it is a contract or an offer to a contract, also it is a case of the sufficient consideration or not. Now I will call my friend Arman to explain the application and rule for this case. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankur. My name is Arman Mukhi and my student ID is AZZ2048. In this case, the main important thing is the contract. What is contract? The contract is an agreement which is legally enforceable or binding. The most important thing are the four factors: offer, acceptance, consideration, and intention to legally bound. So the offer should be the absolute accepted, no counter offer should be this. So these are the rules, and the other things are the application. The rules are the different. The second, both parties in contract should be aware of fact that are abstract in legally binding. In other side, domestic arrangement or family agreement, there is not intention to create a legal consequences, but it should be valid consideration, which means to be not to be free. The question in this contract whether the consideration is sufficient or not, but it should be some consideration that offer need to accept. The promise to do something in later stage is valid consideration as well. The important thing is in this contract, this unilateral contract, on the other hand, is a contract that is one party has made an offer which needs not to be accepted verbally but to performing the condition of the contract. In example, first 100 users get special benefits where first 100 registered person accepted the offer is acceptance, and that can be claimed prize or reward. In this case, advertisement is a form of invitation to trade, which means it an advertisement offers in a serious manner, and it is accepted by the promoting an act. It is a contract that is binding. An acceptance may fail if the offer is pulled back to the person offering. Now the conclusion is that everything is in there, like offer, acceptance, consideration, and legal intention. The legal intention is there. The consideration of $10 to accept by the Ming, and accept by the customers, and offer by the Ming. So everything was there. So in the conclusion, Ming should cut those people's hair who came before refusing the offer. So before the refusing the offer, also in this condition, there is the one condition in this contract, which is if the person come by the offer card, and that should be the legally to Ming need to cut their hairs. So in this conclusion, offer, acceptance, and everything should be there. So Ming can refuse those people who came after the offer can be refused. Thank you so much. Now the further presentation and the second case represented by the Mansi. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arman. My name is Mansi and my student ID is EAB2371. I'm here to present a case 2, which is a Corporation Act. The facts of the case is there is a low-cost way in which espresso coffee can be made on a stove rather than in an expensive coffee machine. There should be a company which can market the discovery of this method. The company should only be made by the family members, and the name of the company should be Anzac Coffee, and it should have a truly Australian flavor. The estimation for the first year of the working of the company are gross asset of minimum $5 million and the employment of 20 people and the gross revenue with $10 million. The 5-year plan for the company is asset worth 13 million, revenue is 26 million. Now I will present the issue in this case. According to the facts given in this case, I will present some issues. The first issue is, how will the valid name for the company be determined? How will the company be registered and what will it be registered as? And the third and most important one is, what will be the process of registering the company as well under the name that is registered by the founder, Anzac Coffee, and can anyone challenge the registration of the company? Now I will call Divyang for the further presentation of application and rules. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Divyang Jani and my student number is DM8004. I'm going to discuss about the rules and application for this corporation corporations. There are three types of organization can be. First one is sole. Second one is partnership, and the third one is a corporation. Sole can be defined by the small businesses, which can be run only by one partner. Partnership can be defined with two or more partners, while corporation is a separate legal entities which also publish their shares to run the companies. In sole priorities, in sole one there are unlimited liabilities. In partnership there is limited liabilities, and in the corporation one it's unlimited liabilities. Companies can be registered with ASE, which means that companies' roles, names, etc. registered with the Corporation Act. With this case, there are certain type of requirements, and which are these, like the revenue should be above 25 millions. These requirements are fulfilled by only sole priorities. Conclusion will be discussed by Kishan. Thank you.
Thanks, Divyang. Hi, my name is Kishan Patel and my student ID is EMV21663. Here I would like to speak about the conclusion. For the sake of acknowledgement, I speak about the Anzac Coffee will able to register the ASIC, the Australian Security Investment Corporation, but there is a one chance to register in this company if it is this company will previously completed all the terms and conditions. Because this is the small company, if it is registered with the ASIC, there high chance to the increase the revenue. Because this company have a small company, the revenue is only the 25 million. But after register this company, high chance to get the high level of the skyscraper of this in the market. So that's it. Thank you so much.